Hi guys, if your TikTok is loading slowly and not working properly, so this video is for you. In this video I will tell you some methods through which you can fix this problem. So first of all, you should have to check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, so you should check Wi-Fi connection, or if you are using mobile data, so you should have to check that it is either properly working or not. After that, you should have to go to the settings, and after that tap on apps, and here you should have to find the TikTok application. Once you find the TikTok, then open it, and here you will see some options, but you should have to tap on storage and clear the data and cache. So possibly it will fix the problem, but if this not worked, then you should have to update your TikTok application. For this, go to Google Play Store if you are using Android, and go to App Store if you are using iOS, and update it from here. So if this not working, then you should have to go to the Google, and you can check that today it is down or not. So search for downdetector.com, and here tap on the first link. Once you open Down Detector website, you will see all the social media apps that are not working properly today, and here you can search for TikTok and see the dates of the TikTok down. You can see that there is no problem today. So these are the methods. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.